I show you three different ways you can add or edit restraint in Tekla Structural Designer. You can come back and check in the document. We will use the last method to edit restraint by using set restraint. Okay, now let's come back and we use this method because we has raster and purlin connect each other at the top. So the method we can use when we has a beam intersect with other beam or other elements. Now let's click on the source author stage, change from the material, scroll down, find the restraint. Where is restraint? Yes, restraint. And to review and the and check the review. This is the top. The raster has the restraint at the top only, not at the bottom. So now let's check with the strat. No. Okay. Now come back. We use mode, change it to set. We want to set the restraint type restraint at the top or bottom of the raster. Okay, let's set. Because at the bottom we will add lateral torsional restraint to prevent lateral torsional buckling on the raster. Now let's set it all. Again, set it all by your window select. Okay, now complete. Control S to seal and come back to design. Click on design or static. Okay, now this member pass, the ratio is 0.8, 0.8, 0.8, 0.8 and 0.8. It's okay right now. It's okay. And beyond the scope. Why it beyond scope? Maybe this section receive torsion. So let's check it. Right click. Check member, open, torsion, yes, right now it is a torsion beyond scope. Okay, deflection is okay, deflection import is okay, for the deflection is okay, and come back to check the result. Review and check the ratio. Yes, now we can fit the raster by add lateral torsional restraint at the bottom. At the bottom, connect with the purlin. And this is how we can fit the element file at restraint. Now the element, the raster pass. Okay. Now let me continue to check for the elements. Take mouse over here. Take mouse over here. Okay, you can optimize the section by right click on it, left click and design member static. Okay, it's the same. You want to optimize this section, static. Okay, the same. Yes. Save it. Again, I will continue to analyze and design again. Okay. All the member parts is it the 3 column, and 3 column is 6 column. We will fix it later. Now let's check it. Yeah, design is 0.9. Is 0.9 is okay. Is 0.9 is okay. Okay. Now check the review and status.